Here we're at the Pima Air and Space Museum with our Douglas A-20G Havoc. The A-20 Havoc was an attack aircraft light bomber of World War II. Originally built and designed with a glass nose with a bombardier. In the Pacific Theater, like B-25s, Pappy Gunn came up with this idea of manning these aircraft with solid noses and a bunch of machine guns for doing strafing attacks on Japanese airfields and attacking Japanese shipping. This aircraft is an actual combat veteran. It flew with the 89th Bomb Squadron in New Guinea on a mission, I think bombing Wewak. It was damaged and made an emergency landing in a swamp in New Guinea. The crew was recovered and the aircraft sat there pretty much forever until it was found in the 80s, and in the early 90s it was recovered by the Royal Australian Air Force. This A-20 with another one that they had. They restored the one Helen Pelican, which was another combat veteran from the Pacific. They used a lot of the parts from this aircraft for that aircraft. Then it actually went to a civilian owner, and then we ended up buying from that civilian owner and finished up the restoration to put it on display here. I'd say it's always been one of my favorite aircraft, I think just because of the, lack of them as survivors, and also just seeing a lot of those cool photos from World War II where you see these A-20s coming in low over Rabaul, bombing Japanese cruisers and transports, and they are like literally flying right like at mass height over these ships. So just always found it to be a pretty cool aircraft.
To find out what's going on at the Pima Air and Space Museum and to see the incredible collection that they have, please visit www.pimaair.org.